In this video, I'll show you how to fix errors in Lovable. If Lovable is showing odd behavior like pages not loading, features not responding, or unexpected sign-in issues, the quickest fix is to clear the site data in your browser and log back in. First, open your browser and go to the Lovable website. Look at the address bar at the top of your browser. Just to the left of the website address, you will see a small padlock icon or an information circle. Click on it. A menu will appear showing you site information and settings. From that menu, select Site Settings. This will open a dedicated settings page for the Lovable domain. On this page, look for the section that controls cookies and cached storage. Find the option that says Delete Data, Clear Data, or something similar, and click on it. This will remove the cookies, cache, and local storage that your browser has saved for Lovable. This is usually where corrupted or outdated data hides, which is what causes most common errors. Do not worry, this will not delete your projects or bookmarks. It simply signs you out and clears temporary files for this site. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Delete to confirm. Once it is done, go back to the Lovable tab and log back into your account. You should notice the site loading much smoother with fewer errors because it is no longer relying on old stored data. If the issue is still there after doing this, try reloading the page. If a specific error message keeps appearing, note the exact wording so you can share it with the Lovable support team. That's how you do it.